Hello, today I'm going to show you how to top up your windscreen washing liquid on an Audi A4 or S4. We stand in front of the car is open, and we can see, if we stay on the passenger side, there is a blue cap. This blue cap covers the windscreen washer tank, and underneath this cap we can dip it. We can dip the wind washer liquid into that area. Of course, you have to look that there is a liquid which goes in the winter time antifreeze, and in the summertime it should be a liquid that can clean your front and rear windows really well. Someday you have to mix that, or you dip it 100%. If you go to mix it, please use distilled water for a longer maintenance-free service of your windscreen washer units. You can dip the entire liquid into the tank until you will see bubbles coming out of the tank. It's no problem for all, because the liquid is not a bad thing on the lack, on the paint, and in the area of this car. So dip it up until it is super full, and then close the lid again, close the cover again, and job's done. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback, and I hope to see you again on my channel. Soon.